Going on, everyone? Got a 2024 Volvo XC60. We're going to reset the maintenance reminder, okay? So the first thing you're going to want to do is put your seatbelt on. I have the car running right now. I'm going to turn it off. Okay. So now what you're going to do is you're going to press and hold down this minus button here. Hold it down. Go ahead and go to the engine start stop button. Turn it 3 times real quick. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now it tells you to go ahead and press the brake pedal to start it. Okay, still holding the button. We're waiting for a flashing yellow light up there where the degrees are at, the temperature is. As soon as those it starts flashing, you're gonna let go of the button and it'll tell you maintenance reminder reset, okay? And what I mean by button is let go of the one you're holding down. And that's pretty much it, okay? It might take you a couple times, but that's how you do it. Hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you can hit that like button for me or leave me a comment.